Everyone, hope you all have done that exercise 6a, b and c, that homework whatever I have been given, that left questions. You hope you all have completed that work. So today we are going to discuss that your exercise 6d. So in that exercise, the basic concepts are multiplication of negative. If you multiply minus with minus, then it will become plus. If you multiply minus with plus, then it will become minus. Again, if you multiply plus with minus, then also you will get minus. If you multiply plus with plus, then you will get plus. Okay, that means if you multiply minus and minus, you will get plus. If you multiply plus and plus, then you will get the plus. If you multiply minus with plus, then every time you will get minus only, irrespective of that which one you have multiplied first. If you multiplied plus minus, then also you will get minus. If you multiplied minus plus, then also you will get minus. Okay, this one I have written here, you note it down in your copy. Okay, now in this exercise the basic concept is this only. That means if negative is given and it's see it here, suppose minus of minus 3 it is given. Okay, here also minus is there, here also minus is there, bracket is given. That means this minus is multiplied with this number now. So that means you have to multiply the minus. So this minus into this minus, it will become plus. Then after 3, that means it is plus 3, or you can write 3. Okay, like this. So now see exercise 6d, simplify. In this question, two variant I have done. See, if this question it is given 5x plus 3x, check the questions properly. 5x plus 3x minus 7, but here bracket is there. If bracket is there, that means this plus is common for both this term also and this term also. Okay, so in this case what it will be, plus is there, that means with plus if you multiply anything it will plus only. Plus into plus 3x, it will be 3x. Plus into minus, it will be minus 7 as it is. See here plus 3 is there, plus 3 minus 7 minus 7. Okay, now after that these two are like terms, 5x plus 3x, 8x, 8x minus 7 you will get. But if it is given like this one, see here 5x minus 3x minus 7, bracket is given here. Here minus is there, that means this minus is bracket is there, means this minus is common for both the term inside the bracket. So that means you have to split the minus. So 5x you write first, minus plus 3, here before 3 plus is there na, so minus plus minus 3x. Here minus is there, before 7 minus is there, that means minus into minus how much, plus 7. Okay, so now 5x minus 3x is 2x plus 7. This is your simplification, like this. So see, similarly question number 2, 11 plus 7a minus 7a plus 4, bracket is given, that means you have to split the sign. Like this 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, so you can do. 6 number once you check. 6 number it is given 2y minus 3y plus 2 minus 6. Check, you have to check properly whether bracket is given or not given. Where bracket is given, you have to be very careful with that. Plus 3y minus 8. So 2y, before that no bracket, nothing is there, so simply you write 2y. After that 2y minus is given. Whenever you will see minus, at that time you should be very careful with the minus, because you have to check. If plus is given, then if you multiply, then all the term sign will be the same. But if minus is given, then it will be possible of what, sign change. There is a chance of sign changes. Here minus is given, see 3y is there, before 3y plus is there, so minus plus minus 3y. Okay, now here also minus, before 2 plus is there, minus plus minus, that means minus 2. Now minus 6, before that now no bracket, nothing is there, simply you will write 6. After that 6 plus is given, but bracket is there, so you split the positive sign, plus 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 3y, plus and minus minus 8. Okay, now see minus 3y plus 3y, so these two will get cancelled. Only 2y will be the remaining variables term, 2y. After that, minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, so you do the addition. Minus 2 minus 6 means 8, minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 means minus 16. Okay, 7 number once you go through by yourself. Now I am going to discuss question number 9. 3x minus bracket is given, third bracket. So you observe the term first clearly. Here it is given that x minus 4x plus 3y bracket plus 5y. This one is your first bracket, that means this term you have to do first. So what I will do, 3x as it is I will write, minus this bracket as it is, third bracket as it is I will give. First of all I will split this negative term, minus of 4x minus 4x minus plus minus 3y, previously 5y is given, that's why I have written 5y. Check. Okay, now these two are like terms, these two are like terms. X minus 4x how much? Minus 3x, minus 3y plus 5y plus 2y. Okay, now no, these two are unlike terms. Now here see bracket is given, so now I will split this bracket. Minus is given, so minus of minus 3 minus minus plus 3 minus plus, so it will be minus 2y plus 3x how much it will be? 6x, then minus 2y, so answer will be 6x minus 2y. Similarly, question number 10, 11 both are same. You once you do by yourself, then after you check. Question number 13, evaluate the expressions given below for a equal to minus 4. Here expression is given and the value of a is also given. Expression is given, first one a plus 8, second expression is given 6a minus 14, third expression is given this one, and fourth expression is this one. All this given, but you have to put the value of a as a minus 4, and with this value you have to evaluate whatever expression is given, that one you have to evaluate. That means you have to simplify. So first of all I will do that 3 number questions. Okay, tough one I will do. So in that question the expression is given 7a square plus 7a minus 20. A value is what given? Minus 4. So put the value of a as a minus 4. So I am putting here 7. A value is how much? Minus 4, but a square is given, that's why minus 4 square. Then 7, a value is given how much? Minus 4. After that minus 20. So 7 into 16 minus 4 square, negative power even, then it is positive, so minus 6 plus 16. 7 4s are 28, minus here plus, so minus plus a minus 28 minus 20. After that simplification. Okay, 14 number you check. Here also instead of check it once. Here all the expressions are given, and what is given, that m value and n value is given, because here two variables are there. One is your m, another one is n. So in two variables value is also given, that m value is your minus 2 and n value is your 6. So put the value of m and n here. So which one I will do? 4 number I will do. This is your expressions, algebraic expression. So 3m cube means m cube. So m value is how much? Minus 2. That means minus 2 power cube. This one. M square and m square, and that means m value is how much? Minus 2 square. N value is how much? 6. Minus 2 into 6. Here I have written. N cube means n value is how much? 6. That means 6 cube. So here I have written 6 cube. Okay, now you simplify. Minus 2 power odd number, that means it will be minus, so minus 8. Minus 2 power even, that means it will be positive number, so plus 4. Then 6 I have written 6 cube means 216. So 3 4 8 are 2 minus 24. 2 into 4 into 6 is 48. 216. Now do the addition, you will get the answer. 15 number is also same. Here your variables are x, a and b. All the values of the variable is given. With this you have to simplify. Okay, now go to the question number 16 MCQ. On simplification, minus 3 square, this one you have to do the simplification.